How to enable developer tools on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Discord account. Then click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, which is Use Settings. After you're in User Settings, on the left side, scroll down and click on Advanced. After you click on Advanced in here, you'll find Developer Mode. Simply click on it to turn it on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, Developer Mode will be turned on in your Discord account. This is how to enable developer tools on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.